Right, here's some triangles and stuff. Work out the length BC. Where's BC? Oh, there it is there. Right, so we'll do a wee sketch. Sketch is always good. Just get the right wee tool for this now. And here it is here. Right, so here's DC. There's CB. We're looking for BC, right? So we'll back up this way. Oops. And oops again. Now, just get my pens in order here. Where's BC? Right, we're looking for this, the length here from B to C. And we're told that this here, let's try the blue, this is 110 degrees here, 110 degrees, that's 42 degrees, this corner is called D, we're looking for BC, we'll call that length there X, right, that's 110, that's 42, and what we know that this one here is 16 meters. So in this case we're going to be using, because we have a kind of a match pair, you see that the angle is 110 and the opposite side, we know that side 16 meters, we know this pair 110 degrees and 16 meters across. So we're going to use a thing called sine rule, and that's on page 16 of your log tables, page 16 of the log tables, and it goes something like this, right? You have A over sine A equals B small b over sine capital B. The capitals are for the angles. So the way we're going to use this here, this is like our A small a, and this is like our big A here. So we can say that what can we say? We can say 16 over sine 110 degrees equals, now what we're looking for is X, so we'll just call that side X, length X there, and we know it's matching angle, and that's the angle the whole way opposite there, and the angle is 42 degrees, so that's sine 42 degrees. So in order to isolate X or get X on its own, we just multiply both sides by sine 42, which means in effect this guy will be travelling up and across there. So we'll end up with 16 multiplied by sine 42 degrees all over sine 110 degrees equals X. So I'm just going to bring that up here now. X equals 16 times sine 42 degrees. It's a 16 times sine 42 degrees over sine 110 degrees. So we can use our fraction key on the calculator and type in 16 sine 42, close your bracket, go downstairs and put down sine 110, close the bracket, press equals, and I get 11 at X equals 11.393, and we can round that to 2 decimal places perhaps. So we get 11.39 meters for this side here, 11.39 meters. That's it, job done.